What a song to listen to at the start of the day.
It's science!
Alright, so it's 10 a.m. The next batch of plants should have come in, so Naomi and I are going to go and hopefully pick up our cucumbers. Since that's the last thing that we need to get the garden going. So Naomi, we're at the store again 1 week later. There's Naomi's feet. And what kind of cucumbers do you want now that they're here? English cucumbers or Japanese cucumbers? No, Lebanese, sorry. Are there more types? Ow. I just cut myself.
Regular cucumbers.
Regular cucumber. Do you have a preference?
Nope.
Actually, I think they're pretty much the same. So we're going to grab 4 of these and head back home and finish up the planting for this year. Naomi, the car's a mess again.
It's your fault. Stop fucking up my car with your goddamn plants.
Yeah, but you're still going to eat these cucumbers and like them. Okay, we're back at the garden, and same situation as last time. Dig a hole, manure time, in it goes, cucumber in. And then we just bury it up. Yeah, there we go. All 4 cucumbers are in. Now, the trellis looks no good, but maybe it'll last 1 more year. It's still holding together, right? And with that, we have basically set the garden up for the year. The cucumbers are in. Peppers, charred because we have too much kale. Beans instead of peas this year. And the tomatoes. So, let's see how it all turns out. I just saw this, guys. Oh no. It's frost time. Take preventative measures to protect frost-sensitive plants. Alright. So we're here in the middle of the night. And by we, I don't mean Naomi this time. I mean Dave.
Fresh off my Garogoa playthrough.
Because Naomi cannot help me with the garden right now, as she just had all 4 of her wisdom teeth pulled. So Dave's stepping in. Where is the tarp? I know we still have it here somewhere. Hold on. So there's going to be frost tonight. Actually, I think tomorrow night too, so we got to get the tarp.
Pretty sure it's,
Garden looks good, even in the nighttime. So because of the frost, we're going to put the tarp on. We're going to take it off tomorrow, maybe 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully this will work out. Hopefully this won't do as poorly as that time when the rain hit. That was, yeah, the water weight. So there should be some...
It would be good if there was some twine or something.
There's these patio stones that are hanging around. You can just get it like mostly over the beans. That'll be fine. Who knows if that'll actually work out, but maybe it will. I guess we'll have to see. Yeah, this will probably work out. Let's hope anyway.
I have a good feeling about it.
It's the next morning. Let's hope everything survived. Oh, it looks okay. These 2 are broken. This one's still going good, okay, though? Tomatoes are a bit droopy, but still okay. The beans are a bit droopy, too. Oh, no. Chard looks good. Peppers look good. It looks like most things survived. That one pea over there doesn't look so good. And 2 of those cucumbers are dead. Here we are, 1 week later. And what I said was going to happen did happen. That cucumber died. Everything else looks good. My 4 cucumbers are only doing so-so. This one's completely gone. This one's like half gone. There's one dead plant there. And there's this one and this one. And they look okay, but they have, you know, the dry edges. I don't know if that means there's been too much water. There's been a lot of rain recently, so maybe there's just too much rain hitting these guys. Oh my god, guys, you need to see this. You know that I've been fighting with frost and all this whole year. It is the 23rd of May, and if you look up here, we have a frost warning again. Even though it's 22 degrees Celsius. Frost yet again. Cover up plants, especially those in frost-prone areas. Of course, of course, of course. Well, guess what? Unlike last time, where we could just put the tarp on, no big deal. Check out the hourly. It's 22, 21, 19. Lovely spring evening. By 10 p.m., it starts raining. Rain, 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 rain. It gets real cold.
And then, at about 5 a.m., it goes down to below freezing until 10 a.m. So I can't even put the tarp on before I go to bed because the rain will weigh it down and crush all the plants. I'm gonna have to get up at 5 a.m. and put the tarp on for this, 4 to 5 hour window to prevent them from getting frosted. Fuck my life.
Here we are. It's 5 in the morning. Getting the old tarp out yet again. Actually, first, it rained a lot last night. Getting it down again. Good morning, Naomi. How do you feel?
Fucking awful.
Yeah, same. So I was touching the plants and stuff, and they seem not wet, and I thought they might be, because I was thinking if it's just wet from the rain, it's still gonna freeze whether or not we put a tarp over it. Because rain and then instantly into frost might just be the garden's done anyway. I don't know. This still might not work, but I guess we'll see.
Yeah, I guess we'll try.
There we go. Tarp out again. It is a week before June, and we're still getting frost warnings. I hope that this is the last time we have to do this. Alright, it's the morning. What a terrible night. And we just noticed part of it blew over. And Naomi, you said they might look frosted?
I don't know, I can't tell from here.
Let's see. Well, they seem okay. Yeah, I think they're okay.
Well, that was your fault anyway, because that was your side.
Yeah.
Yeah, my side was perfectly fine.
Here. Lift it up. Hey, I'm walking forward. Walking forward. Oh, did this pepper die? Oh, it's not dead, it's just bent. Stand up straight. It's a little bit floppy. And we gotta do this again tonight. I think the garden's just not gonna work out this year. There's so much frost and so much heat at the same time.
Hooray for climate change.
Look how floppy this one is too. I don't know, man. This might be a disaster this year. Hey guys, I'm recording from the upstairs window right now, and as you can probably hear, if not see, there's a ton of rain. It's been like this for about 2 or 3 days now. This is not like last year where the rain almost destroyed the garden. And it's certainly not cold enough like earlier in the year where there was a bunch of frost. The temperature's fine, there's just a lot of water, so I haven't been watering the garden recently. And to be honest, the rain's actually pretty good because there's a ton of wildfires in Canada right now. I don't know if you know. Tomatoes, peppers, and especially chard are all doing very well. The beans and cucumbers, though, don't seem to be going anywhere. It needs some weeding, which I'll do when the storm's passed. Also, it's been a year and I still haven't fixed that. Alright, all of that rain's finally done. So it's harvest / clean up the garden time because look at all those weeds. There are weeds everywhere. In terms of the harvest, oh, there's Naomi throwing some right in the camera's way. Oh, into the bowl too. That we're going to have to put the harvest in. Nice, good job.
Thank you. I hope there's
So-
bugs in there for extra protein.
So, eat the bugs. So we're harvesting the chard now. There's been a lot of chard. That 5th extra chard that I happened to scavenge actually worked out pretty well. Everything else, though, is not necessarily doing the greatest.
Because our weather's been so terrible.
The peppers are about where they usually are at this point in the season. They just they take a while to grow. Some of the cucumbers are doing okay, but they're also a little bit behind as well. Same thing with the tomatoes. They're doing all right. I think they need to have the cages put on them soon, though. And those beans that I bought on a whim, they're mostly just dying. I don't know what the deal is with the beans. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. I guess we'll see how it turns out. But we've got to harvest, water, and weed. I mean, why do you have to weed at the exact spot that the only place in the garden that I have to harvest? Get out of the way. I know we had chard last year, but I forget how we did it. I assume it's just like kale, though. You just snip off all the big leaves.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like so. You just snipperoo.
You know, you could look this stuff up.
Nah, we'll just figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That works great. So well.
it does.
No.
Look, we already have a few leaves you can eat. All right, so the garden is now mostly weeded. It's not a perfect job, but I mean, it's a lot better than it was. Hey, you okay, Naomi?
Yep.
While Naomi grabs this watering can and goes to get some water for the garden.
Oh, is that what I'm doing?
Yes.
I wasn't aware.
I'm going to grab these tomato cages and start putting them over the tomatoes because it is time, I think.
Can I come back and pour the water on your head?
No.
Why not?
Get out of here.
What are you doing?
I never sprayed you with water once during this whole thing.
Now, at some point during one of these, I'm just gonna do it as a surprise when you're not looking. And you won't know what I'm gonna do it, so I'm just gonna do it.
Oh, okay. You almost fall?
No, I hiccuped.
These look like something's like cocooning on my tomato cages. Oh well. Let's go. Is it this one that goes first? Nope. Which? Oh, okay. God damn it. Okay. Yeah, I realized I always have tomato cages on the tomatoes. I never actually show me putting them in, though, I don't think, in any of the videos over the years. Not that it matters, you literally just push them in.
Turned 10. Wrong way.
And what happened?
I got sprayed.
Nice. Good job. Thankfully, we're going to the beach after this, so it doesn't matter. Let's see if Naomi can actually water plants correctly. Go!
Oh no.
Da 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 da. That's probably enough water, yeah. Come on, go in. I'm bending them more than I'm putting them in. These final two, I guess we're just not using them this year, these tiny ones. And there we go. There's our garden. You know what? This is one of those times where we might need to just like skip the garden for a year. It's going okay, but it's not going as well as when it first started. It could also be because a bunch of these trees grew up in the back here, and now we have way less sun.
It could also be because we... Ooh, that's a big bug. Never mind.
What were you gonna say?
Nothing. I don't remember. I got distracted and scared. Oh, it can fly.